Rich Tehrani with TMC. Thanks for watching. We're at WebRTC Expo 2013. We're in Atlanta, Georgia. On our program is Iago Soto. He is the CMO of Quobis. And Iago, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Rich. It's a pleasure to meet you.
So why don't you tell us a little bit about your company and what you guys do?
Yeah, sure. Well, Quobis is a Spanish company, and we were involved in the unified communication industry for the last 6 or 7 years. And we started to work with WebRTC for the last 1 year and a half. So our strategy for WebRTC is, well, we are involved in the endpoint. We want to develop, or we have created different endpoints for corporate use, but signally agnostic. We want to interact with different vendors of media gateways or session border controllers that want to act as a gateway from WebRTC to SIP, and we want to sell them our endpoint. No, we want to be the endpoint of WebRTC. That's our strategy for WebRTC.
Excellent. And so who is your target consumer or customer?
Well, the end customer is going to be always an enterprise, but we want to reach that market through network equipment vendors or also through service providers that want to extend IMS or NGN services to the web. So for us, the real customer is going to be the network equipment vendor or the telco, but probably the end customer or the real user are going to be a corporate user.
Excellent. And so if you had a corporate user, let's say they're watching this video, tell them why they would want to work with you.
Well, the idea, well, I'm not going to explain which are the advantages of using WebRTC. The idea is why to use SIPO. SIPO is the name of our corporate endpoint. And the main feature of SIPO is that we implement all the unified communication methods. I mean, we support video, audio, web chat. We have our address book that could be that could work with LDAP or whatever. We support call recording, video recording, screen sharing, file transfer, all the methods related with unified communication. But the difference of our solution is that we can interact with all or almost all the vendors. Our endpoint speaks different signaling protocols, and we are able to make our endpoint to interact with any kind of voice architecture of the end user or of the telco. That's the main feature of our solution.
Thank you. Is there anything else we should know about your solution, or how to contact you, or anything like that?
No. Well, we're going to be here or speaking and showing this endpoint, and well, I think that the main feature of this solution are these: the possibility to interact with any kind of corporate or telco architecture, and with that idea that we are only focusing our activity in the endpoint. So we want to introduce all the features or special features in the endpoint, and I think that is going to be our strategy for the short future.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.